Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. Full-time, otherwise employed at a boring job,
but you're here.
Yeah.
So that's what counts. Okay, so for today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to do a kind of a what sold video for our first ever Thred Up box, which was a 30-pound Thred Up Denim Box.
Yes.
So my husband here loves numbers, so he helped me kind of figure this all out, and he'll be giving you most of the numbers. But I think this is really important to do because I think a lot of times we want to buy these boxes and we just don't know, is it worth it? And, you know, what's worth doing in these boxes. So hopefully this helps. So yeah, if you like reseller content and you like this type of video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that this type of video is something you want to see going forward. Comment down below if you tried the Thred Up Denim Box and how your experience has been. Have you made similar to what we've made? Have you made more? Have you made less? I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Okay, all the housekeeping stuff out of the way.
Yes.
So, I think to start with, I'm just going to go through what we've sold so far in the box. How much did we pay for this box?
So it's $54 including shipping. So it's $48 plus $4 shipping.
Okay,
and somewhere in there.
So we got 28 items in the box. So cost per item was
$1.93.
Okay, so keep that in mind as I go through this list. Now, we have currently sold 14 of the items. 2 items of the 28 have, no, 3 items. 3 items, thank you. Keeping me honest.
3 items
of the 28 have not been listed, so also keep that in mind. The first item on the list that was sold was Thred Denim Jeans, size 26. They sold for $25 with $11 shipping on eBay. Ava and Vive jeans sold for $10 on Poshmark. Parker Smith jeans sold for $40 on eBay with $6 shipping. Gap Slim Boyfriend jeans sold for $12 on Poshmark. Source of Wisdom jeans sold for $20 with free shipping on Mercari, actually like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Arizona jeans sold on eBay, $15 free shipping. Old Navy Boyfriend shorts, $12 free shipping on eBay. Arizona Super Skinny Average jeans, $15,
15, I wish, 50.
Right? I mean, come on. $15 free shipping on eBay. Paige Embroidered Pocket jeans sold for $30. A note on those, we think they sold in a bundle. Not 100% sure what it ended up averaging out to, but $30 was the list price and they sold. So, True Religion jeans, size 30, sold for $25 on Poshmark. AG Skinny Super Straight jeans sold for $35 on Poshmark. Can shorts sold for $30 on eBay, $5 shipping. These sold within, I think, 24 hours of listing.
It was either same day or the very next day.
Yeah, they had a ton of interest. And actually, one of you guys commented asking about them, which is what motivated me to list them right away. And I got like a myriad of questions and comments. It was kind of crazy. So Cans, yes, get those. Cup in the Cloth jeans, $15 with $10 shipping on eBay. And then Gap 29 Real Straight jeans, $25 Poshmark sold.
Yep.
So that's everything that we have sold currently. So do you want to break down for us what we've made so far on this box?
Well, so we have at the moment on the box, which you got in April, I believe.
Yes, April.
You're at a 50% sell-through if you include the 3 items you have not listed. Yes. So you're better than 50% of the box out of everything. Total cost is $54, including shipping. Gross, you're at $285, which is $230 net on all of the items. So you're at 425% profit, or 4.25 times.
I'll take that all day.
Your cost. And then it gets a little bit deeper than that if you look at the numbers on the items that you did not sell for a lot of money. I know some people don't like to go through the trouble of selling lower end pieces.
Yeah, so I did want to talk about that for a second. So a lot of times when I see these breakdowns on Thred Up Denim boxes, and I'm sure you guys have seen it too, one thing that people like to do as a strategy is to go through your box and before listing, decide what items are worth your time listing. There are obviously some items that are damaged and are just absolutely not worth listing. some items that are really low end that a lot of us feel aren't worth listing, and of course you wouldn't be picking them up at a thrift store. So this was my first attempt at a box. So my thought process was, I'm going to just kind of throw it all at the wall and see what happens type situation. So this breakdown that he's about to give you is going to let you know, is it worth it to take the time to list those low end items that you probably wouldn't have even given a second thought? Or is it better to just move it to the side and give it to the thrift store so that you're not wasting any valuable time, because your time is money. So go ahead and give that breakdown.
So we discounted anything that sold for less than $20 was our...
Yeah, so the way I do my business is I generally will not sell anything for less than $15 on Poshmark. There are very few exceptions to that. Also, anything under $20, I will not give free shipping on eBay as a general rule. I broke that rule for this particular thing to see if it was worth it. So,
and you were only really allowed to do that because of the low cost of items, which is essentially the bins price
yes.
in our local area. So it's very low cost of goods. So if you discount anything below $20, the gross was $224, and then after that it's $179.20. So that works out to around $50, which is the cost of the box. So if you count those and you take the time to list them, you've paid for the box by those alone, and then everything else after that is just straight profit.
Right. So, I mean, the difference is about $50, so it's not a huge profit per se. So that's up to you if you think that $50 is worth your time or not worth your time. To me, that is me buying another Thred Up Denim Box and making 4 times my money again. So it's worth it to me, I think. And the other thing I wanted to note with those is there are certain items that did not get included in that low end bucket when we did the numbers because they sold for more than I would have ever anticipated.
Right.
The first one that comes to mind that I'm thinking of right now is an Old Navy pair of jeans. They sold for $25 on Poshmark. If I were to have...
Was it Old Navy or Gap? I think it was Gap.
Oh, it might have been Gap. You might be right. Hold on. Let's pull out the list. Gap. Yep, Gap. 29 real straight. So, if I would have pulled out that box and separated prior to listing, I would have said no to the Gap jeans because I don't sell Gap, generally speaking. I didn't realize that they could have a great resale value. Now I know, and now I'm aware of that. But I would have pushed it to the side, and that would have been $25 I wouldn't have made. So that's the other thing to remember is you don't know, and the best thing to do with these items, in my opinion, would be to price them at the high end of comps, even if that's only $15, and then see what happens because...
Well, so how long does it take you to list an item usually? What, 10 minutes?
All total between cross-listing and everything, probably something like that. I mean, it's a few minutes to take photos because I do have to set up my light and, do the whole thing. Whatever. And then I do have to remove the backgrounds and all of that. I do very simple descriptions, and I don't generally do measurements. I know, it's a debate, and we will have a video on that coming soon. So it doesn't take me a super long time, but I do cross-list onto 3 platforms. So.
Okay. But at that point, I think that comes into the finance side of things where there's the sunk cost fallacy, which is you've already spent the money, so if you've already lost that money until you make it back, so there's no real benefit to just setting them aside to donate other than the tax write-off, but you're going to get $1.93
right.
for each item, where if you can get $5 an item, you're still way ahead.
Right. And the other thing to remember is if you believe in the algorithm god conspiracy theory, which every platform has an algorithm, but whether or not it favors certain things, we will never know. If you're getting these kind of sales, it does seem that the algorithm enjoys that and will push more sales to you. And also, if you're somebody who is trying to keep a certain amount of listings per day, me, I try to stay between 3 and 5, and I'll go higher on my good days, but on average 3 to 5. Having these type of lower end items means that I don't have to go out and source and spend more money on items to make sure I keep that 3 to 5. So it does help in other ways too.
Well, it's already money you spent, so why not try to get the money back?
Exactly.
And if those items paid for the box.
Right.
So
now I do want to mention some of the items that are still left behind, because when we did this video, we kind of made some, well, I think I was alone in this one, but I made some guesses on whether or not items were going to sell and things that I was excited about, and some of the things that I was excited about didn't sell. So I did want to kind of make a note of that. So, I mean, one of the ones that I can think of off the top of my head that I thought would sell but has not yet sold was... Miss Me, that I was looking for them. Miss Me boot cut size 25. They were in good condition, or are in good condition. They have all their gems. But currently they have not sold. They're still sitting, so it could be a listing too high. I don't know. It could be a million different things.
Right.
But when they do sell, I would think that they will be part of the over 20 category. Who knows? We'll see. Obviously, it's making a guess, but the other one that I kind of thought would have sold, I didn't necessarily think it would sell for a lot, but thought it would have sold, was Hudson column flap jeans. I've sold them before. I've sold them in camo, but I've sold them.
Yeah.
But again, could be priced too high. I don't know, but...
Well, so at this point, because you're so far out of the box, you could really sell the rest of the box for whatever you want.
Yes. And the last item that I should mention that has not sold yet, just so you don't think these didn't sell, were Zara jeans. So they're Zara black raw hem jeans. They're definitely trendy. However, if you saw our previous video, we did a DIY bleach denim...
Tie-dye?
Tie-dye, yeah, bleach tie-dye. And those jeans were part of that. So we have gotten interest. We've actually gotten a lot of interest, especially since they've been tie-dyed. They had like no interest previous, but yet no sales yet. So that could be part of it because of the bleach tie-dye. I think it's going to take a special buyer for that. So keep that in mind as we're looking at that as well.
Also, one pair of Old Navy. Of the 3 items you have not listed, you are planning to list now.
Yeah, so those got lost. So I had put aside a few things that I did not feel I could sell based on just the condition. So there was an Indigo Rain pair of jeans that just really felt bad. They just were too worn and they just, no. And then Celebrity Pink jeans, I may still list them, but they were so thin that I wasn't sure if they were worn through or if that was the style. I couldn't really tell. I've never sold that brand. But then there were Old Navy jeans. And honestly, the only thing I can think of is that they were men's jeans and I was just nervous about listing men's jeans. I'm not really sure, but now that I've gone through all the numbers, I've decided I am going to list those. So that could add. I don't know.
Well, you still have quite a few items left. You have half the box left to sell. And, I mean, at this point, any money is good money.
Yeah.
So, $5, $10, any...
Yeah, anything is good. So, overall on this box, I think that we did really well. I mean, we made basically 4 times profit, and we've only sold half the items. So I think it's a really good example of what you can make out of this type of thing. Now remember, all boxes are going to be different. You're going to get duds. I know people get the, half legs of jeans, which, I mean, I don't even know what you're supposed to do with that. I guess, like, make patchwork, so I don't know. Because they are DIY, so remember that you're going to get stuff like that. We did get a pair of jeans in this box. They were Maurice's, and they had a big hole in the butt pocket. I don't know what you do with things like that, so that is to keep in mind when you do this type of box. But that all said, we did make quite a bit of money, so I would absolutely recommend getting the Thred Up Denim Box if you are looking for more jeans in your inventory or if you're just looking for more things to list.
Yeah.
So overall, as a finance person, you think it was a good investment or a bad investment?
I mean, to make 400% profit in 2 months is not bad.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Take that every day.
Or 2.5 months. But regardless, it's still 4 times what you paid.
Exactly.
And you still have other items that hopefully you can get some money for.
I hope so. So anyways, I hope you guys found this interesting. We do have other Thred Up boxes that we have done, and we would love to be able to give you numbers on that. So if you're interested, I think if I went in order of what I ordered, the next box that I should be giving you numbers on would be the Thred Up DIY designer box, which I think a lot of you guys found us through.
Yeah.
So you know the controversy with that, you know all the drama, but if you want to know what we actually made on that box to date, because we have sold quite a few of the items. Yeah, I mean, some of them, they're work in progresses, and we can give you all of the updates on that. And we can also give you the updates on the final stuff that support said to us. Let us know in the comments that you're interested in hearing that, because if you're not, I don't want to just keep giving you Thred Up DIY denim box videos, because we did do 2 of them. But if you're interested, I would love to do that for you and let you guys know what we made, what we ended up having to do, all of that. So that's it. If you guys are interested in anything that you know is still for sale that I have mentioned to you, for example, the Miss Me jeans, my Poshmark closet is listed down below. You can check them out, and you know that I have quite a bit of room. So you could make me an offer and I probably
Send
will
any
take it.
offer at this point and basically she can take it.
Yeah, basically.
So
Basically.
short of covering the shipping, it's basically free.
Yeah, basically. So that link is down below. If you are interested in hearing anything about my experiences with Thred Up beyond what I've been able to tell you, my Instagram is listed below, and I'm always happy to talk to you guys through DM. So please make sure you do that. I would love to talk to you. Other than that, I will be back very soon with a new video.
And then just the only public service announcement is sell everything that you spend money on, because otherwise you just spend money for no reason.
Yeah, never prejudge your items. Let the buyers do that for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will be back really soon.
And thank you all for watching.